Hello friends, today we are doing the concept of class 10th chapter 1st exercise 1.3. Proof that root 5 is irrational. So let us suppose that root 5 is rational. Because we know this is irrational, but we have to prove it by taking its opposite. Suppose it is rational. You know rational number is that which can be written in form of P upon Q, where irrational cannot be written in form of P upon Q. But now we have taken it is rational, so we have taken it A upon B, where V is not equal to 0. A and B are co-prime. Co-prime numbers are those which are having only 1 as a common factor. Now cross multiplying here, so after that squaring on both sides. Then you will open its squares, square will cancel with the root, b square will remain same. Now you will say 5 divides a square, so it implies 5 divides a also. Now we are taking a is equal to 5q. Any number will be here, you will take it with your any integer. I have taken q, where q is some integer. You can take c, whatever you can. So put in your first one, then you will get 5b square is equal to 5q whole square. Now when you will open, you will get this one. Clearly 5 is a common factor in both, but we have supposed that only these are having 1 as a common factor. It contradicts our supposition, so this is irrational number. Next one is proof that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So let us suppose this is rational. If this is rational, so we can write is equal to A upon B, where B is not equal to 0. Then we will do 3 on other side. Then I have taken its LCM and 2 I have taken on side of denominator. It shows that this is rational, but this is our irrational. So both are contradictory. So our supposition is wrong. This is our irrational number, but we have supposed it is rational number. I tell you one thing, whenever this type of question you are getting, your main motive will be here to separate the square root term on one side by changing the other things on other side, by changing its sign, you are taking its multiplication into division form. Next is proof that 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Let us suppose that is rational. If it is rational, you can write it A upon B form, where B is not equal to 0. Now I have done cross multiplication and A will come on denominator. This is irrational, but we have supposed it is in rational, so our supposition is wrong. So 1 upon root 2 is irrational number. Next is proof that 6 plus root 2 whole square is irrational. Whenever you have to prove this, you will take its opposite. This is rational. So this is rational, so you can write it in form of A upon B. B is not equal to 0. Now I will open the identity A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to A upon B. 6 square 36, root will cancel with square 2. 6 2s are 12, root 2 is equal to A upon B. It will remain on same place, so I shifted it on other side, taken LCM, and you will see this is what? This is irrational number, but this is rational, so our supposition is totally wrong. Hence 6 plus root 2 is what? Is irrational number. Next proof root 3 plus root 2 is irrational. Yes, one thing more, whenever in your statement two terms are having square root, then you will take squaring on both sides. Firstly, you will see irrational word is here, you will take it is rational number. You will take it is a rational number. Now squaring on both sides, you will do A square plus B square plus 2AB, you open the identity, and here also square will cancel with the root. 3 plus 2 plus 2 root 6 is equal to A square upon B square. 2 root 6 kept same, and 3 plus 2 will become 5, come on this side, and 2 will come on denominator after taking LCM. This is what? Irrational, but this is rational. So our supposition is wrong. This is irrational number. So whenever you see in your statement only one term is having square root, you have to make it separate. Otherwise in that term, like, you will do squaring on both sides. I hope you are getting. This is very easy concept. Your motive will be to make the separate square root or term on one side. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.